So first we have to press Shift A, then Meta Ball, then ball you can take, then you can duplicate it by pressing Shift D and place according to your choice and make a cloud with that. So after finishing here cloud model, then you have to select everything, then Control A, then Visual Geometry to Mesh. After converted this model to mesh, you have to press Shift A again, then Volume, then take a empty. Then select this volume and go to that modifier tab, add a modifier and search for mesh to volume. So from this eyedropper, select your cloud. Okay, you can give the value like 150 or something else, so it will give you more quality. After that, you have to switch off the eye, then you can see the cloud from here. You can switch off the render view also of this cloud. Then you have to use another modifier and search for volume displace. So from this volume displace, you can hit on the new button, then go to this texture menu, then from the texture type you can use a cloud. So the cloud size you can play with, and if you want you can play with this strength also. uh, yep, I'm happy with that. Then we can take a light. For that, press Shift A, light, sunlight, then place it properly, give a proper light strength. Here I'm going to give like 5. After that, you can take environment texture. For that, click here, the color, environment texture, open. So I took one sky texture for this, and then we can go here in the lighting tab. So we are ready with our cloud. So if you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Sign off.